Okay guys, welcome back to Shanuz Toys and Games Unboxing, and today we're looking at the second of the two I bought from the Killer Instinct figure series. It's season 1 wave 1. I don't believe there's a season 2. I don't think they did a wave 2. If I'm wrong, leave a comment down below, maybe send me some screenshots. This one includes the interchangeable weapon and the Victory Scream head. This one actually comes with a little bit more accessories than the Shadow Jago we looked at. So on the back you get the Scream head if you want it. I personally would probably go with a standard one. So you can have two different weapons and two different facial styles depending if you're more into the horror side of that character or more into the standard character before she goes all egg roll. You do get another unlockable code available on Xbox One and PC. Last time I said I was going to give the codes away because I don't own an Xbox. They are available on PC. I'm going to scratch them off, see if I can claim them, and if I can't, you guys are more than welcome at the end of this video to take them. If I don't post them up at the end of the video, then I use them, and there you go. Too bad, but
that's what life's all about.
I mean, it is what it is. This is another $5.99 figure. They're a little bit lightweight. They're a little bit gimmicky, you could say. The shop only had this one, Hisako. Is that pronounce it? Also, Shadow Jago was the only other one they had, so I picked up both. It was just over £10, so about £11.50. Dollars wise, that's probably about $15, $16 for both. Don't know what the exchange rate is at the moment, but let's go ahead and crack this one open and see if it's the same quality as the last one. And you get your game code, which you scratch off, and jargon. Okay, there's the second head. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's second head in there. And we've got one weapon. Very cool. It's got some magic mushrooms on there growing. Or some pus, I don't know what that is. And then there's the standard weapon. So, I mean, very cool as well. Okay, so there we go. We'll take, does she stand by herself? Hell no. So these figures don't stand by themselves, so they're relying on these bases. This base is actually really nice. This is, I'm not too sure what these things are. Maybe someone could tell me in the comments. They look like some sort of energy drink flask. I don't know what they are. And what looks to be like an old historic grounds there. Probably from her stage. I reckon all these are from their own custom stages on the game. That's just a guess. And there you have her. I mean, she looks amazing. The facial details there are amazing. That's wicked. And is that posable? Oh, okay, so you can turn it left and right and you can angle it up and down, but very, very careful with that. It feels very flimsy. The actual arm bends to a slight degree, but not much. No articulation in the legs. She got the black feet going on, which is cool. Very reminiscent of the game. The ghosty colour along the bottom, which is like the fog, sort of mist she brings. That's amazing. That is beautiful. Look at the detail in the face there. Very cool. Okay, let's put her to the base real quick. There we go. So, I mean, you really have to force these onto the bases. I had to do the same with Jago, but this one's even more worrying. It actually stretches the leg out in that direction. So I'll open up the second head. I don't know if you can see that, but again, amazing detail. It almost looks airbrushed. Combination of airbrush and paint. It looks hand painted, but I doubt it is. There's something else, some other process they do. Here you got your first weapon, which is the one I'm going to be keeping because that's her standard. Okay, so apparently her weapon, according to the back of the box, goes in like that. So she has that blowing backwards. So it's supposed to be slightly bent because she's stuck it into the ground. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we will go with this one. This is a thicker one though. Yeah, so this is a thicker stick on this one. It's a lot sturdier, a lot stronger. I don't know. I mean, maybe we'll keep that. I'll figure that out later. For now, great figure, great price, great quality. There's not much else to say other than if you want one, get one. You're not going to be disappointed. They're pretty awesome. $5.99. You can't go wrong. Thank you for joining me again. It's been emotional, and I hope you join me for the next unboxing. And if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing. Drop off a few likes. Let me know you like these videos, and I'll continue to make more. And until next time, peace out, mofos, and I'll see you next time.